Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again in the series of Level Devil. So let's go. What's this? Rhythm. Yes. Okay. I was stuck in rhythm last time. I know that. Okay. Fast, slow. Okay, I got it. Fast, slow. 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 Fast, slow, fast, slow, fast, slow, fast, slow, slow, fast. I'm still no. I can jump in here. Above side, no? Yes, finally. Next is what? Okay, here, 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 here. Oh God, this isn't fair. I knew it. This gonna happen. Okay, thank God. Now what? Okay, this is easy. You don't do that. Don't do that shit. Okay, okay. No hell. Fuck. Wait a minute. Okay. Can I do this? It. Shit. I forgot. Uh. Okay. 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 But how to? Okay. Okay. That's the one. Oh, what? I don't know. Huh? Okay, so it was inverted. Switch was inverted. That's why. So now what? Oh, I can fly. That's nice. Where is the button? Here. So, okay, wait, sorry. Wait, why? Okay, okay, I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can. Don't test my patience today, please. Go upside. Whenever it's take time to go up. Where to go now? Shh. I got saved. Where to go now? Okay, there. Okay, finally. So now what? Okay, sorry. Okay, I got it. It comes from another side, but I need to be the first. Okay. No, 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 please. Okay. There was a spike above. What's to do in here? What to do? No. Yes. Need to be dead. Okay, let's go here. No, 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 no. Please, no, 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 no. Okay, that huge straw just came up. And should I press this or no? What? Hell, you know what? Just restart it. Restart. Okay, one, two. Not this, this, and this. Oh, sorry. That's my bad, my bad. And I just forgot. I should. Okay, save. What's this? A saw. Let's go. Oh, what a safe. Not safe. Sorry. This game is rage baited. Let's go here, 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 here. Okay. It's... Oh, what the fuck? Okay, this button. Let's just stay here. No, not here. Why this is not? Air jets are not working. Okay, okay. What's gonna be in here now? No, 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 no. Go fast, go fast, go fast, go fast. Okay, save. The rhythm was a shit. What is this? Wait a minute. Let me see what is this. This is sharp. Okay. What the hell? Okay. Hell nah. This is cheating. Okay. Three times. Now what? Seriously? Okay. Then what's this? Okay. Okay, I got it. So now what? What now? Should I go in here? Shit! This was Okay. Don't pull me. Next is this one. Ah, I can't jump. Yes, I can jump. Oh. Huh? No. Okay. How? I don't know. I think I need to run. That's the point. Can I made it? Can I made it? Can I made it? No. Yes, I can do this. I can do this. Yes. Finally. What's in here? Okay, a saw. Another saw. Another saw. What? No. Shh. This game. I think the button is the distraction, nothing else. Yes, it is important. My bad. Okay, done. So now what? Huh? Okay, this is easy. Or I guess not. You know what? Just come here. Come here, come here. Shit. This game is literally the annoying game I've ever seen. But it's not that annoying. You just come here. You come here. Then I'll go here. Then I'll go. You come here again. You come here. Wait a minute. You come here. You come here. No, you inverted this. Shut. Hell no. Hell. I hate this. Okay, the final one. Um. Wow. What? 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 What a start. I should take this and should I jump or okay? Let's just jump here and press the button. Do this. Now what to do in here? Just okay. Let's go here. Do this. Jump from above. Now what? Huh? Okay. This is easy, I guess. Or no? Just pressing buttons and buttons. Okay. Now what? Okay, so it's a jump. Oh, so this is all at once. Just no way. That bullshit missile or missile, whatever that came, is the most bullshit thing I've seen. I let's no, 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 please. Whenever I press this, the gravity is weakened. Oh, sorry, gravity becomes stronger. Am I right? There are spikes. No, I hate this. Once again, once again. Wow, what this game is so long. Retry, retry, retry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go here. Jump in, jump, stop. Jump, jump, jumping, jumping and jumping and jumping and jump. Now here is the wow, 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 wow. I just all right. I've reached here. Um, let's just jump in here, jumping in here, jumping in here. Now here is the okay. Finally, now what? Huh? No, no. I should wait here, I guess. Or no. Oh, thank God I just used my brain. Should I collect these balls or not? I'm actually scared of collecting it. One of them definitely is a bomb. This or this below it. Huh? These were. I guess these are not bombs. I guess. Let's just collect this. Just go, bro. Hello, excuse me? Are you kidding me? I hate this. I hate this. I was near the gate. I hate this. I hate this. Definitely, I hate this. All right, reached here. So I should not collect the this one, that one. Sorry, not this one. That one. That one. Should I collect that also? Let's do this. Okay, finally, finally. Whew. Okay, let's. Freedom. It's freedom. I guess not because there is any more part in the story. But I can't go near part 3. Yes, part 3 is waiting, guys. You know what? Let's end this video right here. I'll do this next time. Till then, guys, have a nice day. Bye. Thank you, guys, for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.